How to turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, you simply want to make sure you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've updated Facebook, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply go over and open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now, just like anyone's birthday, let's say that you simply receive all of your friends' birthday notifications, such as someone has a good birthday today, as you could see right over here, and it's sometimes kind of annoying for you and you want to turn that feature off. Well, in that case, simply go to the menu page first of all. As you go to the menu page, you have to scroll down to the bottom and select the option called Settings and Privacy. As you select Settings and Privacy, here you'll find another option which says Your Time on Facebook. Select Your Time on Facebook and then scroll down and you'll find the button which says Control Your Notifications. As you see Control Your Notifications, simply tap on the See Settings button, and over here you want to go ahead and select Notification Settings. You can see it says choose which Facebook notifications you receive. You can also mute push notifications, so simply tap on it. As you tap on push notifications, you have to actually scroll down and look for the option called birthdays. Once you select birthdays over here, you can see it says allow notifications on Facebook. And in order to actually not be notified of anybody's birthday, you have to simply turn off this whole toggle itself, which says allow notifications on Facebook. Once you've done that, you will not receive any type of birthday notifications on your Facebook account. And this is how you can turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.